Day in, day out, we do make calls with our loved ones. And have you ever asked yourself the amount of money you spend on call credit? Or have you ever asked yourself that maybe can you make a free call? And even on the process of calling the person, and if your credit gets finished, what will you do? So this is a tutorial to teach you how to make that free call with your loved ones, because we spend a lot of money on call credit calling our loved ones, and if our call credit gets finished, we sometimes feel uncomfortable, feel unhappy about that. So if you have ever asked yourself whether you can make free call to your loved ones, then this is the right video for you. I'm going to show you how to make free call with your loved ones or with anyone. Absolutely free call. So for me not to waste much time, let's go into the video. Hello cherished viewers, welcome to Globe Tech GH. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make free calls on MTN network. Open your call app. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment and I will personally reply to your comment. And please don't forget to like and share the video. But make sure that the MTN SIM card that you are using, you have used it at least for 3 months. You have used it effectively for 3 months. Type *550#, then you dial with your MTN network. Here you are going to select option 8 rather. You are going to select option 8. Then you just tap on the send. Then here you are going to select option 1. You tap on the 1 and tap on send. So here they are saying that thank you for choosing MTN free call offer. Enjoy 6 months of free calls with your chosen number. So here you are going to put the number that you want to make the call with for 6 months. So you just put any number there, any MTN number that you want to make that free call for 6 months. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. But please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video and leave your comment. Maybe if you are finding any difficulties, you can leave your comment. I will personally reply to your comment. Thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.